Hello, it is moving day, oh my god. I'm just about to drive to my new flat and do all the boring stuff like the fees and signing the contract and stuff. So yeah, obviously I've got loads of shit in the car with me and I'm so excited to have a new little star. So yeah, I've just, I had some cash to put into my account and it's an absolute fucking nightmare with the Monzo to put cash in, but I've just done that. With about 2 minutes to spare, and my flat is so close to where I live now, so it's a joke. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited! And as everyone knows, when you rent an accommodation, you can't paint the walls. So I've been in the property about 10 minutes and I'm ready to paint the walls. I just think like I'm going to be here for a long time and I will replace it if they're that adamant on not having white, so fuck it. Hello, so I've just realised I haven't actually filmed a flat tour because I'm a fucking idiot. So I've actually already got paint on the walls, but we'll just do a quick one now anyway. So you have the entry, oh my god my hands, entry here. And then I'm going to pop the dining area about here. Yeah, dining area about here. And there is a wonderful, almost like vintage wardrobe in here. Which is built in, which is cool. I've popped a few bits away. I probably will give this a paint, but for right now you can't see it, so it's not a problem. And I was really worried about storage, but now I found this, I feel better. I then have, all this natural light is the best. I then have my little fireplace, which is lovely. So I'm just going to dress that up. I've already painted the surround white, and I've just given it a quick clean. Put some candles on there. I have this mirror. Which I'm probably going to get rid of, but it's there for now because I have nothing big to go in that space. There's these little 2 shelves which I have painted white on the rim but left the insides cream, and I painted this bit white. This is still yet to be done. This is probably my shittest wall. Paint does not look good, but yeah, that's the little area. And I'm going to set up the lounge like here, the sofa and stuff here. I then have my own garden, which is the best. My own little patio, which again is so cool. So once I've saved some money, I'm going to grab some cool furniture to go out there and have it for barbecues and stuff. Then there's this little porch, which I think is really cute. I'm going to put my step and shoes under here, and then have my keys and things hanging here. I haven't painted this bit yet, but I will do. I've also, oh, hello. And then we have my bedroom. Couple of downsides to the bedroom, the carpet being blue, and also matching curtains. Lovely. Yeah, so this is the room. It's a reasonable size, I think. My bed's going to go here. This door is a weird lock door. Maybe there's like monsters behind it, I hope not. And a little toilet here. Again, the toilet is not great. But I'm going to pay. I mean, the worst thing is they sort of give this half-assed paint, which is just the worst thing I've seen. So I'm going to give that a good paint. I'm going to get a new blind. I might just not have a blind and have some natural light in here because it's a wall anyway. And there's a cool shelf up here, so I can put rattan boxes and stuff, or I can put shelves on top and make it more of a feature. So that's like that. Again, in my bedroom there is another 70s fireplace, which is cool because I really like 70s and bohemian stuff, so that's amazing. Another huge mirror, which I shall not be using. I've got stashies somewhere there, that's the problem. I don't know where the fuck I'm going to put them, but whatever. I've placed a mirror here for now. It's going to go up on the wall once I've painted. And then the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It is a lot larger than my old flat. I've already painted the walls white, hence why they look quite nice actually on camera, which makes me happy. Yeah, so there's a little white, nice kitchen. You've got your washing machine and sink and stuff. And I actually think I can make this look quite nice. These tiles are quite cool. I'm going to put some black grout in them, Subway tiles. 2 shelves here for showcasing things. There's some really cool hooks. So all of this little arch was this colour. So I'm just giving it a bit of a brighten up with the white. I've also painted the edge of the cupboard there, just so it all is in keeping. I've just popped these Poundland plants here because they have to be in sunlight, and the boxes they come in is actually nice, so they'll go well there and break up all that white. Yeah, it's getting there. Oh, it's getting there. Also, I've got a nice soap, so that's good. Getting a bit delusional. I haven't eaten yet because I'm running around like an absolute nutter. So I need to go get some food and a drink. The girls are coming over in a minute to help me paint and do bits and bobs, which is fun. Yeah, it's a real struggle. All my makeup has come off because fuck that. I could do it, but what's the point? And this garden is so cool. So I have this little area that's mine, and this garden here as well. And this is like a secret little area that I can store stuff in. So I think I'm going to store like Christmas decorations and stuff like that in there. So yeah, it's all coming together. Go away, cream. Day 2, let's go! Hello. The cavalry have arrived.